Okay, so what we're going to do now is create a course using Garmin Connect. So when you go onto the Garmin Connect, you'll get the courses menu. And what I've now done is I've clicked on create new course. So the first thing it's asking me to show is whether it wants to see street maps or Google Maps. So I opt for Google. Get rid of the elevation, we don't need that for now. Now when you start creating a map, for whatever reason mine starts in London, so I need to just drag the map really until I get to the area that I want to create the route in. So creating Tewkesbury. Now my internet's a little bit slow at the moment, so it's not loading very quickly, but when we get to Tewkesbury then we'll start creating the route. So we create the route using the mouse left button to create a point on the map, as you'll see in a minute. Okay, so we're dragging the map around, trying to find Tewkesbury. You can zoom in and out using the scroll button on your mouse. Okay, so we're looking for cascades, and if we zoom in on Tewkesbury, you can see cascades, the little wiggly S. So we click on there, that creates our start point for the course. Now we're going to create a course that goes down towards Fiddington, Treddington and then back, so it's only a short one. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking on various points on the route. So I'm now trying to find the road, Watton Cardiff Lane, that goes past Tewkesbury, which is here. And then we'll just follow it down. So just by clicking on various points on the route, the mapping software will automatically locate the correct roads for you. If it does get it wrong, you can simply hover over the road and then just drag it, or you can click on undo to take you back a couple of steps. So now we're going back over the motorway, heading towards Treddington, past Sheringdon's, I think it's called, golf course. Coming towards Treddington. Got a bit of map that's not loaded there for some reason. Now we're back on the A38. Now we're going to be heading back up towards Tewkesbury now, past the two horses on the roundabout. Now what I want to do is just see how long we would be riding for. So first of all I want to change this average speed to 25 kilometers per hour, and if I press enter, then that will give me a time of 27 odd minutes. So that's about right for this ride. So the other option I can now do is loop to start. That just saves me drawing it all, so it will have looped all the way back to the start for us. I can rename the route, give it a proper name. Just type something in. Once I'm happy with the name, click on the save button, and that's saved my route. So the next thing I've got to do is click on the padlock to make the route public so that I can share it with people. And the other thing I'd like to do today is just download it onto my Garmin, so I can click sensor device, highlight the Garmin device in the drop down list, and click on the sensor device button. As you can see, that's opened up Garmin Express. It's syncing my Garmin 500 up. And there we go. So the route's now on the computer, we're ready to ride.